Hello everyone, this is Amira Abouzaid. Today, I coded a Python guessing game using just a few lines. In this Python project, I created a fun guess the number game using what I've learned from session 1 during the International Teacher Training Program on Python with PictoBlox. Now, show is in action.
So, as you can see, I picked a number from 1 to 100. The attempts equal 10. Okay, so when I started, I'm going to print time to guess number between 1 to 100. I used loops like while. I use conditional statement if, elif, and else. I set the attempts minus 1. It means descending. Each time I try to guess, the attempts number will be reduced by 1. Okay, so if the attempts equal to 0, I'm going to print, sorry, ran out of attempts, try again, or sorry, you lose, or you lost, try again.
Now, can you beat it in three guesses? I'm sure you can. It's an interactive way to apply Python basics like loops, conditions, and input-output handling in real-world scenario. I created this using Python in PictoBlox, a future-ready coding platform that encourages innovation and programming skills in young learners. This project was created for the International Teacher Training Program on Python with PictoBlox organized by Stempedia.